The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, our home, and hosts over 200 billion stars, but how much do we really know about it? The Andromeda Galaxy is the Milky Way's neighboring galaxy, distinguishing itself from other galaxies with this particular feature. Known as Messier 31, 31, or NGC 224, the Andromeda Galaxy is one of the few galaxies visible to the naked eye, appearing as a hazy blur. It is approximately 2.48 million light-years away from Earth and has a diameter of about 200,000 light-years. The Andromeda Galaxy shares several characteristics with the Milky Way. Its name was mentioned in the early 965 AD in the Book of Fixed Stars by the Muslim astronomer al-Sufi, and it was revisited and discovered again in 1612 by the German astronomer Simon Marius shortly after the invention of the telescope. For centuries, astronomers considered the Andromeda Galaxy a part of the Milky Way, viewing it as a spiral nebula similar to other bright gas clouds within the local galactic system, hence the name Andromeda Nebula. It wasn't until the 1920s that American astronomer Edwin Powell Hubble definitively determined that Andromeda is actually a distinct galaxy beyond the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy has a strange history involving collisions and mergers with other galaxies. A nearby, unusual galaxy next to Andromeda, M32, has a structure suggesting that M32 was formerly a normal, massive galaxy that lost many of its outer parts and possibly all of its globular clusters after colliding with Andromeda in the past. Deep analyses of the outer regions of the Andromeda Galaxy also confirm large coherent structures of stellar streams and clouds. These observational data indicate that the outer regions of Andromeda include remnants from smaller galaxies that were torn apart by the massive central galaxy. How did the Andromeda Galaxy form? Data suggests that Andromeda formed as a result of the collision of two smaller galaxies approximately 5 to 9 billion years ago. Is there a black hole at the center of Andromeda? Yes. There is a black hole at the center of Andromeda. Additionally, it is thought that Andromeda is the closest large spiral galaxy to us. Is there life in Andromeda? So far, it appears that intelligent extraterrestrial life, at least according to our limited definition, has not been found anywhere. There are many theories and hypotheses as to why, despite decades of efforts to communicate with extraterrestrial beings, we have neither contacted them nor seen them. When will the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxies collide? This collision is expected to occur in about 4.5 billion years, resulting in the formation of an elliptical or lenticular galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is approaching the Milky Way at a speed of 110 kilometers per second, 68 miles per second. Measurements indicate that the relative speed of this galaxy compared to the Sun is about 300 kilometers per second, 190 miles per second, because the Sun orbits the center of the Milky Way at a speed of about 225 kilometers per second, 140 miles per second. The probable outcome of this collision is that the galaxies will merge, forming a giant elliptical galaxy or perhaps even a large disk galaxy. Such events are frequently observed among galaxies in galactic groups. The fate of the Earth and the solar system in the event of this collision is currently uncertain. However, there is a slight chance that the solar system could escape from the Milky Way or join Andromeda before the galaxies merge. This process, by creating significant changes in the structures of the galaxies, may lead to the formation of a new galaxy known as Milky-Way. This merger will not only change the shape and distribution of stars and nebulae but also provide an opportunity to study the stages of galaxy evolution. Additionally, it may create new conditions for star and planet formation, enhancing our understanding of the universe as a whole. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video.